I'm sitting inside my 2022 Tesla Model X long range, and in this video I want to go ahead and see what is the battery life of my Tesla Model X. If we go over here into the trips, you can see the car has 71,362 kilometers on it and is just a bit over 2 years old. We're gonna go down over here into software, then we're gonna hold down on the Model X, type in service. We can go over to the HV system and you can see this is the battery right here. We're currently at 6.8% and the battery health is not showing the calculation. So what we'll do is we'll just hit the health test here, hold the right turn signal in the active position, plus press down the brake for 8 seconds. So we're just going to go ahead and do that real quick. There we go. From here on, we're going to do health test. So pretty much it's asking me to plug in the vehicle. So that's what I'm going to be doing. We are getting the charge rate of 6 kilowatts. Over here, we have start and then results. Since we don't have anything, let's just hit start and then hit run. Now it says it has been initiated. Okay, close. It's not showing this in green. It is also no longer charging, as you guys can see. So yeah, I think that's all we have to do because health test is initiated. We just hit close. We just have to see how this goes. And we started this thing at 11:33 p.m. All right, guys, so it is just after 12 o'clock. Here's the Model X. As you can see, the charge is complete. I haven't locked the car, so let's go ahead and open it up. You can see we're still in service mode. We're at 100% charge. And let's take a look. And our battery is actually at 91%. Now I'll just hold here and then just exit. If you guys do remember, I did end up running this car out of battery completely. And then I had to plug it in, wait a very long time for it to charge. It was the video where I showed you guys what happens and how far I can go when the car says 0%. And when I did the test, the car was fairly new. It didn't have too much mileage. I also want to mention that there have been times that I've charged this car to 100% during like the extreme cold days. I have also for quite some time charged the car up to 90% every day because I needed the range. Now I usually charge the car at 80%. And this car has also been stored inside the garage for about 5.5 months. During that time, I believe I had the car charged to 80% and then it was unplugged. And after like a month or two, it was replugged in and it ended up charging back up to 80% and it was unplugged again. So yeah, there has been even a time that this car was stored. I really do love this Model X and that's why I still have it, even though my new daily driver is that guy right there. So I don't drive this Model X daily anymore. I'm also thinking that most of the battery degradation might have happened already. And this is like the biggest drop that I would have gotten. And then after that, it would have been slowly degrading. The Tesla warranty is 8 years, but that's if you cannot have 70% health left. So you have to have over 30% degradation for Tesla to consider it as a defective or a warranty work. But one thing I'm gonna do is make sure I don't have it sitting at 100% the whole days. I'm probably not gonna go right now because I've got some work to do, but I will be for sure driving it today so that the car is sitting at least 90% rather than 100% the whole time fully charged. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and I'll see you guys in the next one.